Morning. It's just after 6 AM. I'm at work really early. Left my wallet in VJ. Can you believe it? Got no money, no cards, nothing. Where's VJ? VJ's just down at the shop, just getting an oil change because we have had a massive week. Coming back from Miranderi, Bikes' Luck's packed in a cylinder. Yep, so she's got to get a full bottom end rebuild, but the problem is she's down at Yass. So this weekend, VJ, me and Benny picking up a trailer and bringing her back up to Sydney, so that should be a bit of an adventure. Only problem being, I haven't changed oil for 11,000 K, so I just get my mate Tony to fix that up for me, and then we will send it Friday morning. Got to come into work and open up, but once that's done, should be right. So I'll start the vlog here and I'll finish it when we're dropping off the truck, so stay tuned. I'm in the Tokina this morning because seeing as Ben's car broke down, he's taken Squirt, so that means Squirt's with Ben. Locked the keys in the car last night. Lucky I'm in an RMA, they just come up, pulled the keys out for him and it's all good. So Squirt's with Ben, VJ's with the mechanic, leaves me with VJ. That's my nan's Salika. Lucky she's got that ready and fair for me. So well, that was the sunrise here at work. It actually is over the back of where the camera was, but yeah, you get the idea. A little bit of Casey Neistat time lapse for you. So see how we go with that. On my way home now. I'm in BJ. Beautiful car to drive. It's just, you know, it's a little bit short in the roof. I think I'll be going home first, and then I've got to run over, like literally run with my feet. I've got to run over to pick up VJ. From here, once I pick up VJ, go and drop Dan off at the doctor's. Just got an appointment there with the GP. Been a busy week, busy month for appointments, but we're keeping on top of it. We've got it all sorted. The guys at work have been very supportive, so cheerio to you guys. It actually looks like there's nobody home. So I've got to get VJ back out again. Ready for the big walk? Here we go, gonna start the walk. How you going, guys? I did start the vlog yesterday, but it turned to crap because I was using the phone. I'll show you a little bit of footage right now. So yeah, the Samsung 8 Plus, pretty crap in 4K. But here we are at the servo. Got the trailer on, ready to go. It's pretty big. Just filled up, gonna get some drinks. We expect to be there probably about 4:30 now. Load the car up and then we're gonna head back to Sydney, so enjoy the ride. Well, as you can see, we're at Yass.
Yeah.
Big girl's on, just got to tie her down now.
Going for a rebuild.
Got a twin turbo it apparently.
Yeah, I got a spare turbo sitting in that. You only got more options in your back than I like.
One eternity later.
We're home.
There need to be holes in the side of it.
Good morning, world. It is Saturday morning. We had the old, or the new pot belly out last night. Got a bit chilly. We thought we'd burn all the oil and stuff off it that they have when you buy them. Had a bit of a stink to it, but yeah, these are good little buggers. Check them out. Only holds about that much wood, so yeah. Yeah, that kept us warm last night. Had a couple of beers. Ben's awake. Let's go and check out the trucks. Julie. VJ. Just gotta get past this telegraph pole back. Alright, just got Julie off the truck. She's ready. In at Tony's. What a mission. Mission accomplished. She's got to get the trailer back now. Well, we're here. Just dropped off the trailer. Ben's waiting for the dude's daughter to give him back his money. That's the trailer there. Just so we've got evidence that we dropped it off. What to do for the rest of the day, who knows? What are you doing, Benny?
Outlast chocolate.
We're on Bowl Mountain. It is in fact, I can't see, can you see it? It is in fact snowing at the moment on Bowl Mountain. It's not heavy enough to cause any whiteout on anything, but it's definitely snow. Anyway, all plans aside, we haven't done anything this afternoon. We've had a couple of beers, a fantastic schnitzel sandwich, a couple of cutlets that we burnt, lamb cutlets. They were great, except they were burnt. I ate them all. Ben didn't eat any. Bindi finished them off. So that's the vlog for this weekend. Signing out. Hope you've had a good one. See you later. Oh wait, Ben's got my
Rear end winch cable.
Rear end winch cable. So that's going to go in here. It's going to go into this one here. We've got some good, can you see that? No? Yeah. That's our rear, oh, that's a really good cable too, eh? That's a good 10mm cable on that one. It's going to be really good for getting the power right back to the back of the car. Yeah, it's gonna be good. That's my face. It's gonna be good. So, yeah, we're gonna chill out here for the rest of the night, and yeah, I hope you all had a good weekend. Peace out.